Good morning. This is CBP Srivastava from Discovery IAS Academy. First of all, let me congratulate all of you for clearing your preliminary exam this year, and you all must be gearing up for Mains 2022. Now, Mains 2022 requires very specific and focused study for again giving you tremendous success in this, what you achieved in preliminary. In today's discussion, what we are going to discuss is an outline of what we call crash course, and that crash course, it needs to be understood what exactly we are going to do in that. So let me first start with that what exactly is meant by crash course, then how will it be going to beneficial to you, and the third and final and the most important thing is that what are we going to do in that and how it is going to be helpful for your exam. When we listen to this word crash course, it is definitely a short duration course, but the point is that it is very, very exhaustive. It is not selective. It is rather intensive course. You must have covered extensively number of things in your syllabus, but intensive studies are now required to give your best in the main examination 2022. So crash course is not selective. Let me repeat it. It is not selective. It is highly intensive, very exhaustive, but short duration course. The second thing what I am going to highlight today is that how it is going to be beneficial to you. So first of all, if you look at the program, which we'll discuss it in the class, that we will give emphasis on subject-wise important topics and most important topics. This will be followed by selecting the topics or topic-wise important and most important questions. What is going to be important for mains this year? Then another very, very significant thing in the class would be, or giving you benefit would be, the coverage of all the current developments related to all subjects of general studies. So on one side we are, or on one hand you are understanding how to find out or how to select the subject-wise topics, how to select topic-wise important questions, and how to cover all the current developments, current events related to various topics and various subjects across the 4 papers of GS. The third aspect which I am going to discuss today is that what exactly we are going to do in the class. So first of all, as I said, we will select the topic, and once the topic is selected, we will try to find out what type of questions they are going to ask and why they are going to ask that question. So we will have a detailed discussion in the class on that why this question has been selected from this particular topic. Secondly, we will go for answer formatting of each and every question. Whenever you find a question, it is very difficult sometimes to understand the demands of the question intricately. So first level of answer formatting would be how to understand the demands. सबसे पहले हम लोग यह देखने की कोशिश करेंगे कि जो प्रश्न मेरे सामने आया उसकी वास्तविक मांग कौन सी है, कैसे उस मांग को समझा जाए, हाउ टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट डिमांड, एंड देन अकॉर्डिंगली हाउ टू फ्रेम द आंसर and how to write the answer in the required or prescribed word limit. Then every day this will be practiced. We'll pick up a topic, we'll find out the question, we'll make the answer format after understanding the demand, and every day you will go on writing answers so that by the time you finish off the 40 classes course, you will be confident enough to write almost all types of questions in your main exam. So far as the classes are concerned, we are going to have separate English and Hindi medium batches, and The intricacies of those classes, as I said, will remain the same in Hindi and English, but the classes and the batches will be completely separated, exclusive for English medium, exclusive for Hindi medium. This course is free for all, and for getting advantage of this course, you need to visit our website of Discovery IAS, get yourself registered and join us, and then take the advantage, or the fullest advantage, let me put it this way. So, the detailed discussion, what we are going to do in the class, as I said, we will start the things, we will start the classes. So, we will meet on 11th of this month to start, and we will finish off by the 40 classes, and I am dead sure that you will be highly benefited through this course. Thank you very much.